After coming to here, I became more mature and independent.
Now I feel home here.
And even their education system are something like much easier when I compare to like my back home.
Anytime I needed some extra cash, I would have to have my dad wire me some money.
Take such courses where you get co-op.
Everybody's life is independent here. Most important thing that I felt in Canada is like it makes you independent.
Are you somebody that is planning to come to Canada to study? Well, if you are, you're in for a treat, because in this video, we're gonna go talk to some international students in Canada and ask them what their experience has been in studying here. And we're gonna ask them many questions like, do they like it here? Do they regret here? How do they find accommodation? How do you find jobs? And many more things. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Also guys, I was an international student that came to Canada 15 years ago. So if you have any questions that you'd like to ask or get in touch with me, here's my Instagram. Make sure to send me a hey, ask me any question. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you. And guys, make sure you participate in the gimbal giveaway on Jan 15th. We're giving not one but two DJI gimbals. Make sure you follow these two simple steps. Number one, subscribe to the Sabby BG Show YouTube channel. Number two, follow me on Instagram at the Sabby BG Show and DM me there, gimbal done. और हो सकता है अगर आप कनाडा पढ़ने आ रहे हो तो गिम्बल मैं आपको खुद ही दे दूं. So with that, we'll take you to the streets of Toronto with Camille and ask international students about their education in Canada. Let's go.
Hi Savvy and Dil say namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Vanakkam and hello to all of my amazing Indian friends. With over 500,000 international students, Canada currently ranks third in global foreign student attraction. With thousands of people coming from India every year, many are now calling Canada home after studying here in this beautiful country. Right now, I am in the Gerard India Bazaar in Toronto, Canada, and I want to ask some Indian students what they think about coming to Canada to study and any tips, tricks, and helpful advice they might share to other people who might come to do the same. But before we start the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get the notifications and never miss a video. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram too at the Sabby BG Show, where you can even slide into our DMs and ask any questions that you might have about life and education in Canada. All right, let's start the show. Hi, thank you for being on the show. I'd love to ask you what your name is, where in India you're from, and how long you've been in Canada.
I have been from south part of India as well. It's been like almost an year and a half.
My name is Nehil and I am from Muradabad, UP. It's been 3 years now.
I'm from a small town near Ludhiana in Punjab. It's called Jagraon, and I've been here like 4 years.
So my name is Jasleen Kaur and I'm from India, northern part of India, Punjab, and it has been an year. Actually, I landed just before COVID. It was a different experience, and plus it's a Diwali time, so me and my friend we thought that why not we can go outside and celebrate.
I've been here from 2019 August. I'm from the south of India, from a state called Andhra Pradesh.
Hi, my name is Jasbir Singh. So, well, you may call me Jazz. So yes, I belong to Punjab, which is a state in India. So I've been here in Canada for the last 3 years, I guess, and I'm enjoying in Canada. Yep.
Hi, my name is Bhavya, and it's been 3 years now, and I'm from Chandigarh. It's a state in India. It's a beautiful place, and it's renowned for its beauty.
What are you studying here in Canada?
Yeah, I just came here for studying human resources management, and after that, I did my supply chain global logistics.
Oh, I came to study accounting here. First, I took international business management for my postgraduate diploma, and then I did certificate in accounting from York University.
Yeah, I came here to study. I'm doing global business management with a specialization in international business.
I'm doing healthcare management course. My background is healthcare, so I really wanted to do something in that field, so I'm doing healthcare.
I am studying computer networking technology program.
I came for my studies and I'm doing my post-graduation in global business management, and I'm doing specialization in international business management.
So I already studied my course, International Business Management. So I'm done with the course, but fortunately, so I got my work permit, and right now I have applied for my permanent residency.
Do you think it was a good decision to come here to Canada?
To be very honest, in the beginning it was little scary to come here because I've never been out from my house. So now I feel it was really good decision because after coming to here, I became more mature and independent.
For me personally, it was a good decision.
To be honest, in the beginning, I felt like homesick and I wanted to go back. But as time passed, I enjoyed staying here, and now I feel home here.
Yes, it was. Well, I have been trying from so long to be in Canada, but unfortunately, due to some circumstances, I wasn't able to. But fortunately, I got the visa, and I'm very happy here.
Too early to say, but yeah, I think it's been good so far. Yeah.
I think it is the best decision of my life. When we are in India, you are like dependent on your parents. And now I am doing things on my own. I have become independent.
I think it's a good decision to choose Canada as the foreign country to come abroad for everyone as well. Here I see like there are a lot of opportunities, especially in the city of Toronto, even for the job, and even I believe like colleges over here are the best ones, and even their education system are something like much easier when I compare to like my back home. Like much of MCQs, whereas back home it used to be like theoretical knowledge. Over here I feel there is more of practical knowledge.
Would you recommend it to other students?
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
I would definitely recommend students to come to Canada. Given the education system and the work culture over here, I think it has a lot of future.
Of course I do. You'll be independent, you'll be earning on your own, you'll be enjoying.
If you're doing well enough, or if your folks are doing well enough back in your home countries, that would be a good idea. But if you feel like your economic status is not there, then that's not a good idea probably.
How do you manage your expenses? Do you work a part-time job? Do you get funded from home? How do you manage?
In the beginning, of course, we have to come with little funds from our family, from our parents. But later on, yeah, as I said, you can be independent here. You will easily find job if you are talented or if you have contacts. So make a lot of contacts. And yeah, then you do part-time, and then you can manage studies with that.
Well, I was studying, I was working part-time, but now I'm working full-time.
Yeah, I work at a gaming arena. So I work there, I get some funds from India as well.
So for my tuition fee, everything like my parents are paying, so it's coming from India. But for my rent and other expenses, I have a part-time job. And also I'm in a co-op program, so the semester which I'm doing co-op in, it helps me save some money for other months for the rent.
As I have told you that I came here and it was complete house arrest, so that was a really difficult time, and my parents were helping me out at that time, and we students, we have GIC. That was a great help, but eventually I was able to find some casual jobs with time, so now it's good.
Well, when I was in college, so basically, yes, it was really hard to manage, but once I got my work permit, so I can work, right? So right now I'm doing 2 jobs, and I'm like spending almost 16 to 17 hours, in the job, and rest all the time, sleep, and whatever the time I get, I just spend with my friends.
Yeah, so in the beginning, for 1 month, I used to get funds from my parents, but I got placed in one of the MNC over here. It is enough for my expenses. I need not to get any of the funds from India.
Now, speaking about money, do you think a global card that offers seamless, hassle-free international payments would make your life easier as an international student?
Yes, of course it will. Definitely it will, yeah.
That would be beneficial because whenever I get money back from my home country, I pay fees over there, I pay fee over here, and I pay fee every time I use the card again. So, that would be really helpful. You'll save up on a lot of money. So, I think, yeah, that would encourage people to use it everywhere, yeah.
It is a good option. You should have an international card. Even when I came here, I didn't bought any cash with me. My cousin, he arranged me an international card, and I used to do interactions with that card because my parents, they send me money through that. It is a good option.
Yeah, that would have been easier because anytime I needed some extra cash, I would have to have my dad wire me some money. But if I had something like that where they would just put in and I would just use it, that would have been a really good idea.
So while I just came here, it was really difficult to manage because I've never managed my own expenses. My parents were doing it for me. But after I came here, I became so independent. I started using different transactions, and I found it really nice.
Yes, yeah, definitely. Through this, I guess like we can avoid like lot of transfer cost. I definitely believe like it's a good idea to have something like global card so that we need not to change banks or like we need not to maintain like multiple cards when we travel from one country to other country.
I think it should be there, like whenever you travel outside, right? Not in Canada, because after all, you get your permanent residency and you want to travel all around the world, right? So that's what I want to do. So yes, you should own the card, and that should, you should manage your expenses and you should use it anywhere.
Hi friends, wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor for this video, Neo Global, a new age international card for students envisioning to study abroad. This card offers a seamless and hassle-free international payments. The Neo Global card can be used to make all student-related payments such as the GRE GMAT fees, university application fees, visa fees, tuition fees, etc. at 0.4x markup. Some other highlights do include 0.4x markup international cards on Visa platform. This card is accessible in 100 plus currencies, instant loading of the card via NEFT, MPS, 24/7 WhatsApp customer assistance, lock unlock, recent ATM pin from the Neo mobile app, real-time currency rates on the Neo app. So go download this app today.
Do you have any tips or advice you'd like to give to any students who are coming to Canada to study?
Rather than getting excited that we are coming here, they should plan a bit. Particularly, they should know about the weather, which is like very different, because in India is a tropical country, so we have a different weather. Think before coming here, because it is a nice place, but you have to do a lot of hard work to get good jobs. Take such courses where you get co-op, so that it would be easier to you to get jobs. So rather than making a goal that we want to come Canada, make a goal that we want to come to Canada and excel in our field. Think first and act wisely.
Do proper research before you choose a course. What it might seem on the paper or what it might seem on the college profile might not actually be the one that you're looking for. So talk to people who are already doing the course, then make a decision and come.
When I was a student like at India, I was really worried like how it is going to be when I go to Canada. But I say them like, don't worry about anything, just do what your heart says. Definitely you will struggle in the beginning, but you're going to have the dream life what you expect it to be.
Well, all I would say that be prepared. Like before you come here, yes, you have to be prepared, because over here you're not gonna get your family members over here, right? So everybody's life is independent here. Most important thing that I felt in Canada is like it makes you independent. You choose your own lifestyle, whatever you eat, you go, you do. So, well, it's good for me. I would rather suggest, yes, everybody should come to Canada. If not for as a student, then definitely you should visit. It's a beautiful country, peaceful country.
Make sure the course you take is actually like, it takes you somewhere. It has a co-op, because that gives you Canadian experience, and that's what matters when you're looking for jobs. You take a course which has good reviews and the college has, good placement records and everything for that. Other than that, make sure you're doing okay in India economically. If you're not, then not a good idea.
Be free, be yourself. Just come out of the clutches that you feel back home, the barriers that you find. It is the free country. It's a country to home and a home for everybody. Just feel home and live to your fullest. Enjoy your life here.
Hey dost, mere yaar, mere pyar, keep watching more funny videos right here. May I humbly request you to show me some love, click on that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you don't miss a single episode of India's #1 Vox Pop show from abroad, your favorite, The Savvy BG Show. Thank you for watching, and remember, I love you.